Hello, crafty friends. It's Connie here from the Daily Life of Creativity. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today videos is for a cherry on top monthly YouTube app. And this month is all about hobbies you love. I love doing many things, and this one was really hard for me. But I wanted to create something quick and simple for us to follow along. And I will be using the pressed floral and feels like home sticker by Cartabella, and this is on the ephemera pack by Cartabella, also the press roll and some enamel dots. Okay, so very quick, very simple. We created some cute little 2x6 bookmarks, little tags. I love creating tags, and this were inspired by like that floral, like Bridgerton look, like I don't know, like reading books and just having fun crafting, um, just creating layers, quick little layers with florals and with foam adhesive and enamel dots. So I started by cutting 4 pieces of cardstock. This is a 110-pound cardstock measuring 2x6, of course. And then from the 6x6 paper pad, the one that's double-sided, which is by Pressed Floral by Cartabella. I just loved all the florals in this paper. So I chose one with the floral background and one with the stripe background with the white and the pink. Like a mauve, more like a mauve to me, like a light mauve pink. It's beautiful, by the way. And I just trimmed those a little smaller than the 2x6, just to leave a white border all around. And then, of course, we started matting, adhering those florals. Those are from the sticker book that feels like home by Cartabella. Also, I feel like these collections, the colors are pretty similar, and I just felt like using these two things together. I feel like they layer beautifully. I really wanted those florals to pop from the background of the tag and just bring them forward, and that cute little rocking chair, and that just like I just love it. And then of course with the ephemera pieces, I did grab that title that says "You're so sweet" and so on. So yeah, and I'm here just using that new squeeze gun by We Are Makers. I'm loving using that gun, guys. It doesn't hurt my hand, because I craft a lot, or I'm always on the computer. I'm always using my hands, so um, it's working out great for me. And excuse my nails, guys. I burned my hand. You can kind of see a little on my left hand how I burned my fingers. I burned my hand actually. It's been a couple of days and it's looking a little better, and of me applying things to it and just letting it healed. But yeah, so it's been a couple of fun couple of weeks. But anyways, yeah, so I have not been to the salon to get my nails done, and one broke off in the middle of that fire. So, but yeah, so anyways, getting back on track. Yes, just layering the florals on foam adhesive. I love adding layers to my projects, just making them look so filled with layers. And we have the white background with the pattern paper, the florals on top of foam adhesive. Of course, we have those amazing titles like Dream and You're So Sweet. And what else? Let's see here. Made with Love and Enjoy Every Moment. And you can give this to someone special that loves to read. For me, I love to add them to my mini albums. You better believe it. I will be making a mini album with this collection. It's so beautiful. And I will go ahead and tuck it into my mini albums or my books that I'm currently reading or my layouts. These 4 tags can be a layout. You can put them across each other, and then one of the photos can be the same size, or 2 photos can be the same size of the tags, just making it look so cute and clean, with that nice white background with some mixed media, just or cards, add them to cards, slim cards. you can do so much with just with tags. I love doing that. But yeah, so let me see here. Make sure that you check out the other girls' YouTube videos. Make sure you like them, comment. You get a chance to win a nice, awesome gift card from a cherry on top. And then the links to everything should be down below where you can follow on too. Okay. All right, so what else? And then now I'm tying some of that beautiful ribbon. That's one of my favorite ribbons to use on my projects. You can find that usually on Amazon or Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I think Hobby Lobby. Yes, Hobby Lobby usually has rolls of them. It's usually sometimes individually or in a pack of 4. Sometimes they have the pack of 4. So yeah, so just passing that through. I use that if you want to use that brads to ensure that that stays nicely, you can do that, but you're not going to be tugging on this too hard. So I figured that the ribbon can easily just be tied to the cardstock. Plus it has that 110-pound cardstock, which is heavy and it doesn't tear easily, so it works great. But while we are here and we're crafting these beautiful tags, let me know in the comments below, what are your favorite hobbies? Just to name a few, I love watching TV. Yes, that's a hobby. I love a good show. Whenever I get the chance to watch something, if after working all day or crafting or cleaning the house, just the normal chores, I love watching TV. I love to paint. I love scrapbooking. I love scrapbooking, guys. I love making mini albums. That's one of my hobbies. Dancing. I love to dance. I love to draw. I'm not good at drawing, but I love to color too. What else? Can having a relaxing time can that be a hobby? Like going to a spa? Yes. So yes. What are your favorite hobbies? Hobbies that you love doing? I like reading too. Do you like to read? And hobbies can be pretty much anything you enjoy doing, right? So it's up to you. And what you love. I also like to teach. Well, teach is a big word. I like to show you all what I do. That's a hobby of mine. If it's either through here on YouTube or if it's through Instagram, that is one of my favorite hobbies. I love it. It brings me so much joy. Just showing you all what I do, sharing with you all. And I really work hard on that. I put my heart into it sometimes. Like I work hard on a project and then I share it with you all, and I get super excited when you guys comment that you guys love it. So that's one of my hobbies that I absolutely love. But here you see me also layering another piece of paper, slightly smaller, just to create some layers to break that floral background so we can layer some quick embellishments. And if you notice, I'm not adding too much embellishments. I think each tag has about 4 pieces, the max. I think the most is about 4 pieces. Like the florals and the icons, and then the titles or the wording, and then of course I had to complete them with enamel dots. And most of these embellishments are coming from that sticker book. I love the sticker books, guys, because they're filled with so many stickers, and then you get it. I think you get the same sticker twice. So if you use one side of it, you still have the other side to complete. You can create layouts, cards, everything with this. So many. I love a sticker book. But yeah, and I love enamel dots. And I love adding different texture, like the stickers texture is a different texture. The enamel dots, like the ribbon is a different texture. The cardstock is just different. I just love adding different layers and texture to my projects. So we are almost done, guys. They're coming together beautifully, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. If you have not seen my previous videos, ensure to check it out. I have worked hard on them. I'm working on getting better. That's the only way we get better. Like when somebody asks me, "Oh, how did you learn to make those things?" I'm like, "Girl, I just been crafting so much. I practice and practice and practice by doing things and trying over and over again and over and over again. And I don't give up. Like we're our biggest critics, like even when I was making things that I didn't like, other people would like it. So just continue crafting. And if you love it, continue crafting. And eventually you would get better and better. And you would do things differently. Like right now, I'm trying to I want to start creating mini albums that are more shapes, but different shapes from scratch. So, like, I'm trying to see how I can do that, like, but I want something iconic, something different. And it hasn't really come through my head yet, but we'll see what happens. All right, guys, this is it. Thank you once again for stopping by, and I love you all. Bye.